This week in the world of electric vehicles in America, we have some exciting developments. Electric vehicle manufacturers have made significant advancements in battery technology, making them more efficient and longer-lasting. Tesla has unveiled its new Model S with next-generation batteries that offer a 600-mile range on a single charge. These batteries are notable for their fast charging times and extended lifespans, solidifying Tesla's position as a market leader. In another major announcement, Ford has launched its new electric SUV, the Mach-E. The Mach-E has received widespread acclaim for its powerful performance and modern design. With this new model, Ford aims to secure a strong position in the electric vehicle market. For investors, this is a promising indicator of Ford's future growth potential. Additionally, Rivian introduced its new electric pickup truck, the R1T, this week. The R1T stands out with its off-road capabilities and robust battery capacity. Rivian plans to attract adventure enthusiasts and outdoor lovers with this new model. For tech enthusiasts, this demonstrates that electric vehicles are not just for urban commuting, but are also suitable for all types of terrain. This week also saw significant government initiatives to expand electric vehicle infrastructure. New incentives and an increase in charging stations suggest that the adoption of electric vehicles will become even more widespread. For investors, this represents a significant growth potential for the electric vehicle sector. These rapid advancements in electric vehicle technology are driving interest in environmentally friendly transportation solutions while signaling a major transformation in the automotive industry. Stay tuned for more innovations and exciting developments in the coming weeks.